emotional. Mommy.
Chain Hall, hi chumis, how you doing? Like, how are you really doing? Hope you're good. Cause me, I am. Motherhood is hectic, but I got a hang of it. As you earlier saw, I got some order from Shein for my baby girl, which you already saw how it is, and they all look pretty and good. It beat my expectation. I made some popcorn for a movie night. Went ahead to do the dishes and also went to clear my baby play area to get set for our bath time. After doing that, I went ahead to place our water on fire. This hair was so chaotic, losing and braiding. Like, it's one work to make your hair, it's another work to lose it and then get set to make it done. Here I was cleaning my fridge because I wanted to bulk cook and I just want the freezer ready and neat. I went ahead to pick my vegetables. I'll be making vegetable soup here. After that, I went ahead to soak my periwinkle down and went ahead to cut my veggies and got set to cook. I got an order from Jumia which I went ahead to unbox after heating up my pan and adding the necessary thing I wanted to add. It turned out to be that one of the mic wasn't working and I was already feeling down about it because I'm not the type to want to start feeling a return form for an order I got. It just always stresses me out. I don't know who else is involved in this. Got an headgear for my baby. The wee one I got wasn't just serving its purpose, and I don't know why this girl has been so fascinated by sockets this period. She just wants to touch every socket she comes across. After her dad came back from checking what the issue was, it turned out to be the battery was just extremely low. I took her back and I went back to my cooking. And of course, I know you're already salivating at this point. After adding my veggies, I went ahead to cover it to cook a bit, give it a good stir again, and dished out some for you. What would you be pairing this with? Since you're already coming to the end of the month, I went ahead to get some things for the house that we already out of. My baby will be starting solid soon, so I went to the kiddie section to look around some of the things that will be okay to start solid with. I went ahead to pick the remaining things we'll be needing for the house. Brought in the things we got from the mall and I was setting them in the places I will arrange them accordingly. After I gave you people a brief dance and did the arrangement of camera. Guys, I've been craving cake for a long time. Over a month plus, I have just been craving cake. Like, I want to eat cake, I want to eat cake. And finally, I'm going to make that cake. Finally, I'm gonna make that cake. I think I should start singing. What do you think? So, let's bake.
Too late to learn to listen. Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays are between us now?
We'll be making use of the manual process in baking this cake. So first off, I went to heat up my pot before setting the suspension that will be baking my cake in. After doing that, I covered it to heat up a bit before putting my cakes in it. At this point, the cake was already ready and I went with my skewer and it was okay. Here is very chaotic, please. I was doing a lazy walk here, got a plate to see if I could just get a circle out of it, but they didn't just have sharp edges, so I had to just go ahead to manually do it with my hands. So I finally got it right. Wanted to get some shapes out of some fruits, but they were not just coming out nice. At some point I was asking myself, why am I doing this? Must I do this? Is it necessary to do this? And honestly, after thinking about it, it was just because I wanted my little girl to feel loved. And this is what we had after a long walk off camera. I placed the numbers on the cupcake and don't mind the numbering. I later rearranged it and also set the time correctly. And actually, this is what we have. So beautiful and nice. After that, I went over to the studio where I had my makeup done. A chaotic one coupled with breastfeeding and the finishing up of the makeup and another chaotic section of the photo shoot.
Mommy.
How many yesterdays are between us now?